Hello and welcome to this video on the brand new presenter view now found in Microsoft Teams for Desktop. This is a feature that's been requested an awful lot for many months and is now available to everyone. So to get to it, you need to start your meeting as you normally would, either through a scheduled meeting on your calendar or through the Meet Now button. I'm going to click Meet Now just for demo purposes and click on Start Meeting. I've now started my meeting and I could invite other participants to it, my students or colleagues, but for demonstration purposes I'll just use it as a meeting for myself. So now once we're in our meeting, we need to click on the Share Content button. And I'm going to use this PowerPoint as our shared content. There we go. So it's uploaded, and by default the view is a presenter view, which is really useful. I can now jump between slides as much as I want, and it just means students haven't got to watch me go through all of the animations and all the different slides. I can just jump around from the first to the last to the middle, whatever. So that's really helpful, and it just means the end user experience is a lot better. Now this red box around the slide here shows me what the students are seeing. So the students or the participants can't see my presenter view. They can't see me moving around, jumping around here. They can't see my notes if I happen to have notes on the right hand side here. All they can see is this full screen slide. In addition to presenter view, we're now able to turn our slides into high contrast, view them in high contrast, which is great if you have students or a class that prefer it, or if your content allows for it. It's just very clean and very easy to read. I personally tend to leave it off, but if I had a class that found it beneficial, I would absolutely use it. The third and final feature I'd like to show you is this Go to Slide button, just here. If I click on it, it will load in all of the slides, and this is quite a big presentation, so it might take just a moment. There we are. So it loads in all the slides, and I can now jump between my slides. So I can go from my first one, my introduction here, right down, and I can jump over to the identification of need slide, and all of a sudden it then appears on their screen. Once again, the participants know of nothing. All they see is this in the red box, and I can do anything I want here, and nothing changes on their end until I click that button and it jumps to the slide. Okay? So hopefully you found that useful. I really like presenter mode. It just means I'm able to see where I am in my presentation, and it just gives me the ability to very often schedule my lesson a bit better, and schedule the tasks and predict how the class are doing compared to how I thought they might be doing. So a really useful feature. I recommend you try it, and if you'd like any more support, please get in touch as part of the EdTech Demonstrator program. We'd be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching.